Hey guys, hope you're doing well. Welcome to another week here in Humanities 110. This week, once again, kind of fitting in right with society. We're going to look at the concept of technology and how it impacts spirituality. Having come off of an Easter holiday, we can really see this in the church today. A lot of churches use technology in a variety of ways to be able to get the message out. When the pandemic was going on, churches relied on Zoom and other social media aspects to continue meeting, even though they could not meet in person. And some of that is still ongoing. You use technology as it relates to um, effects, words, videos. There's just so many different ways. And, we want to look at it this week and once again ask ourselves, is it a good thing or is it a bad thing? Or is it kind of a mix? Now, I do want to caution you that when you come and look at the questions this week, um, that Postman is asking, notice that I put a lot of here as far as explain or how does. One of the things that I'm a little concerned about is I want to make sure that you are fully answering the question. We're way towards the end of the semester now. So if you see something like explain or, how, detail to be able to fully understand what it is that you're saying. Use the Postman text to support your argument or to challenge your argument. But I need you to make sure that you do give detail. So you're doing a discussion forum this week with an initial forum on Thursday, replies on Sunday, and then you have these reading questions due on Sunday. I do want to caution you that May will be here before you know it. So please make sure that you are working towards that final project. It will sneak up on you if you're not careful. So you want to make sure that kind of every week you're doing a little bit here, a little bit there, so that way when it comes time for the assignment to be due, you're ahead of the game and you're not like trying to crash course the assignment. As always, I hope you have a wonderful week. If there's anything that I can do for you, please reach out to me and let me know. Greatly appreciate your work. I hope that you're enjoying the class and you're learning a lot from it. So take care, go out and do something great for someone, and I do hope you have a wonderful week.